How to hide and unhide posts on Facebook. So I'm going to show you how you can hide and unhide posts on Facebook. To do that, open your Facebook app, or you can also use the web version if you're using a desktop. Then click your profile icon located on the top left corner of your feed and locate the post you want to hide. Say, for example, this one. Tap the three dots right here and tap Hide from Profile. And you will be asked this confirmation, and just click on Confirm if you want to proceed. Then you will see this message saying the post is no longer shown on your timeline. But if you changed your mind and you want to unhide the post, you can restore the post on your timeline. What you need to do is go back to your newsfeed. Then you may want to tap these three horizontal lines right here, scroll down and select Settings and Privacy, then tap on Settings. Scroll down and find the Your Activities section and click Activity Log. Then you can see this Your Facebook Activity section and tap on that. And click on this Posts category and select this Posts Hidden from Profile option, and you can see here all the posts that you've hidden. And if you wish to unhide any hidden post, just click on these three dots beside the post you want to unhide and tap on Add to Profile to let it be visible on your timeline again. And that is how you hide and unhide posts on Facebook.